lots of places to roost in, and they have gecko eggs, and birds eat gecko eggs. As you can see, they're very big trees, lots of places to put nests also. So if you carefully look inside that crevice, you'll see some eggs. Those are gecko eggs. They've already hatched, but birds like to eat these. Okay, so if you look really, really closely, you can see a red-crested cardinal. I'll try to get closer. If you see that bird that's gray and it has a red crest that's hopping around, that's the red-crested cardinal. There's actually two. The only problem is this iPod zooms out, so that you have to get super close and you can't zoom in. We'll try to get as close as we can. You can see it now, right? That's a red-crested. And there were also some common waxbills flying around. Yeah, common waxbills are like basically almost the smallest birds you'll find around. What I'm videotaping right now is a Pacific golden plover. You can kind of see it bobbing around. Here, I'll hold still. You can see it in the grass. They are one of the biggest migrators ever. In the background, you can hear some Maya birds. He's just hopping along there, walking around. These birds are very jumpy. Around here in the Yacht Club Terrace, the only thing that birds have to worry about is cats. There's one right there. Hiding, moving around a little bit. This is their neighbor's house. Another thing that birds love to eat are lizards. There's one right there. He just jumped away. There's lizards and geckos that live in Hawaii. Birds love both. Lizards are more common though. And now you see this side of the sidewalk. Sometimes we don't know what it is that the birds like, but sometimes at the base of this tree right here, tons and tons and tons of zebra doves, cardinals, myna birds, spotted doves, everything. They just love to eat whatever is here, and they'll get in like groups of 80 or so, I don't know, but it's a pretty popular sight, but no one's here today. Okay, we've just hit a bird jackpot. You can see the Pacific golden plover jumping around there, and then there's some myna birds over here feasting on the stuff. Oh, they just flew. And the other Pacific golden plover moved a little bit down. They're very jittery. Usually mynas aren't jittery, but... So if you look carefully on that roof, you'll spot some zebra doves. They're one of the smallest kind of doves, I think, and they're just cruising along. They're the most popular dove in Hawaii, besides maybe the rock dove, but those are in the city. So if we're just patient and we wait for it to fly, I think I see a red-vented bulbul. Yes, did you see it? There it is. There's a myna bird on top of that house. Did you see it fly? Yeah, it's right there. Myna birds are special birds because when they fly, their wings are so pretty because they have white tips, just white squares on their wings, and when they flap them, it makes them look like they are just blinking. It's cool. Okay, you see the cute little zebra doves? They let us get pretty close. They're just walking along there. They're stripedy with red legs. And they've got blue beaks and eyes. Very pretty for such a regular and popular bird. Here, let's try to get them to take flight. See, when they open up, they have white on their tails. That's what makes them special. They're kind of just like myna birds. So this is like the center of, this is like Bird's Haven, this tree right here. You'll see zebra doves, mynas, cardinals, almost every kind of bird. You'll see so many birds that live in Hawaii just hang out and roost in this tree. You can hear them all around. If I'm quiet, you can do all sorts of stuff. Here, let's try to listen for a second. if you see that white bird flying, that's a cattle egret. He just landed. We'll try to get closer to him. Cattle egrets are small for egrets, but they, well, their name pretty much says it all. They like to stay around in cattle and horses and cows and stuff. But if you live in Hawaii and you start mowing your lawn with big lawnmowers with a big yard, you're almost guaranteed to have one of these guys sneak up on you. Well, you're almost guaranteed to have lots. Oh, there he takes off again. I've seen them just like, I've seen at least 20 of them trailing one lawnmower, so it's cool. So thank you for watching today. We've done almost a complete circle around the Yacht Club Terrace. We didn't get to see all the birds we exactly wanted to see, but we saw most of them.